Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to share with you my secret to earning $100 per day using ChatGPT. For those of you who are not familiar, ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can understand and respond to human language. It's an incredibly powerful tool that can be used in a variety of ways, including helping you earn money. So, how do I use ChatGPT to make $100 per day? Well, the first thing I do is create content on YouTube Shorts. I've found that Shorts is a great platform for me to reach a wider audience and generate more views. Once I have my content created, I use ChatGPT to optimize it for SEO. ChatGPT can analyze my video's title, description, and tags to suggest improvements that can help it rank higher in search results. This has helped me to get more views and generate more income from ad revenue. Another way I use ChatGPT is to create transcripts of my videos. I've found that having a transcript can make my content more accessible and help me reach a wider audience. ChatGPT can quickly and accurately transcribe my videos, which saves me a lot of time and effort. Finally, I use ChatGPT to generate ideas for new content. I simply ask ChatGPT what topics are currently trending, and it provides me with a list of ideas that I can use to create new videos. This has helped me to stay current and relevant with my content, which has led to more views and more income. In conclusion, ChatGPT has been an invaluable tool for me in my quest to earn $100 per day on YouTube. By using it to optimize my SEO, transcribe my videos, and generate ideas for new content, I've been able to generate more views and more income. If you're looking to earn money on YouTube, I highly recommend giving ChatGPT a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.